Hello there. It was so wonderful to connect with you recently, and I'm excited to tell you a little bit more about Healy. Healy is a small, personal, wearable frequency device which helps support us on a physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual level. Here's mine right here. Now, what we know about quantum physics is that it has taken the atom and broken it down to the subatomic level. Within this level, we find protons, neutrons, electrons, and these are all energy. What do we mean by that? When we look at tissue, matter, blood, organs, when we look at the plant world, when we look at the natural world, animals break everything down to the cellular level and then break everything down further and further and further till the smallest particle can exist. That is the subatomic level. And this is essentially an energetic state of being. So what we know is that we are more energy matter than physical matter. In fact, what makes us more connected to tangible, inanimate, physical forms like rocks or, brickwork or anything that's solid in structure, we have more in common energetically than we do physically. So we know that energy is literally everywhere, and this is what makes up the majority of what makes us us. When we talk about frequency, we understand that frequency is the universal language. Frequencies are what make cells communicate to get to each other. They're all around us, and our human body, but animal and nature worlds, that is no exception either. And what Healy allows us and what it allows our bodies to do is to connect with our energetic environment and send frequencies to support our bodies. Now, one capacity of the Healy is via the use of the wrist straps, which is what I'm running at the moment, where we're putting a current into the body to support cellular voltage. Very important for long-term health, very important for longevity, and also our emotional centers, or you could say our chakras, which are energetic in their nature. The microcurrent capability of the Healy not only brings about physical change in the body, for example, it increases ATP production by 500%, that's wild, but it also helps break down genetic patterns in terms of our thoughts and feelings. There's also a coil, which is a little cable-free device that you would attach to your Healy so that you can run programs cable-free, so you wouldn't need the wrist straps. The coil works slightly different. It actually creates a magnetic loop around you, so it's working in the magnetic field. It's a really beautiful way to receive the frequencies, and actually the coil is free with all devices up until the end of May on all editions at Resonance and above. Now, there are many more complexities within Healy. There are two apps that I just want to speak to very, very quickly. The blue app and then the pink app. The blue app, just for example, has the coach module. And this is where we would enter a focus and an intention using a statement which places us in the vibrational state that we want to be in. So as if you're already there. And then Healy scans you to find resistance, any blockages that are stopping you from being able to achieve your goal or your intention. And then it sends you a report and it analyzes those resistances. You can then vibrate the frequencies to yourself to break down those blockages, and you can use it for anything: career, physical performance, relationships, financial goals. I'm a coach and I use this with my clients with unbelievable results, but it's available for everyone. You don't need to be a coach to know how to use this app. And then the pink app is where it's like a database of all of the program groups. So this is where you can just program a group of programs, send it to your Healy, and then run it either through the cables or through the coil. We also have many wonderful modalities, such as a Nora scan. We have a chakra scan function. There's the homeopathic database. There's tissue salts, flower remedies. There's the I Ching, there's Ayurveda modules, and there's numerous additional expert programs such as sleep, mental health balance, learning, skin, meridians, bioenergetic defense for protection from EMFs and electrical sensitivity. So as you're beginning to understand, no doubt, the world of frequency is massive. There is so much more to learn and explore and discover just how supportive this little device can be for our health and our well-being. And I cannot wait to show you more.